Hello, my name is Wendy Pawlak,
And I'm Mark Pawlak.
and we're thrilled to extend a special invitation to you.
Are you a homeowner who's cherished your space for many years, but the idea of downsizing feels overwhelming?
You're not alone. That's why we're excited to introduce our upcoming Downsizing Workshop, an event designed to simplify the home selling process for you.
In this workshop, we'll cover essential topics, starting with home staging. Ever wondered what furniture to keep or donate? We'll guide you through the entire process, exploring the pros and cons of professional staging.
Repairs can also be a source of concern. That's why we'll discuss what's necessary and what isn't. Our goal is to ensure your investment is spent wisely, maximizing your returns.
And timing is key. While blooming flowers may seem ideal, we'll help you identify the best time to put your house on the market based on your goals and market data.
Pricing is more than just a number. It's about creating interest and keeping you in the driver's seat throughout the entire transaction. We'll also dive into the consequences of overpricing and how it can shift the balance to the buyer's advantage.
Our marketing strategies are designed to cast a wide net, local or out-of-state buyers. We'll explore all the options to generate the most interest to get you top dollar for your home.
Professional photography is paramount. We'll discuss the importance of high-quality photos, exploring the options like drone, twilight photography. These details matter in bringing potential buyers into your home.
So join us for an engaging and informative session that goes beyond the basics. Our downsizing workshop is not just about selling a house. It's about empowering you with the knowledge to make the right decision.
The workshop will last about an hour. We'll provide lunch and we'll have the opportunity for you to ask all the questions that you might have. Please visit us at pawlakteam.com/sellers workshop to RSVP today.
We look forward to seeing you there.
Take care.